Hello viewers, good morning, welcome to my class, my session. I am going to talk about Chitra by Rabindranath Tagore, a summary. Chitra by Rabindranath Tagore is a dance drama. This is a very popular play of Rabindranath Tagore. This play deals with the love story of Chitra and who is Chitrangad and Arjun, the warrior. But before I talk about the story of Chitra or the summary of Chitra by Rabindranath Tagore, let me introduce the characters of the play first. Chitra is important character of this play. She is a daughter of Chitrabhana, king of Manipur. The second important character of the play is Madan. He is god of love. The third important character is Arjun, prince, the warrior. The next important character is Basant, the god of springtime and youth. Apart from these characters, there are some villagers, people of village of Manipur. Now let me tell you the story of Chitra, the summary of Chitra. The play Chitra was composed by Rabindranath Tagore in 1413-14. It was written in 1314 and it appeared in 1314 by India Society of London. This book deals with the love between Chitra and Arjuna. The play Chitra adopts the story of Chitrangad and Arjun from the Mahabharata. Chitra begins to have conversation with Madan, the god of love, and Basant, the god of springtime and eternal youth. They ask Chitra, who is she and what is she bothered with? Chitra replies that she is daughter of the king of Manipur named Chitrabhana. Now Chitrabhana, the king of Manipur, does not have a male heir. So he brings up and raises Chitra as a warrior. She is raised like a boy, as her father had no male heir. She is a great warrior, and her despite being born as a woman, but she never had the chance of truly life as a woman or learn how to use female wiles. Chitra says that she had met warrior hero Arjun after seeing him in the forest while she was hunting for game. In spite of knowing that he had pledged several vows, including one for 12 years of celibacy, Chitra felt instantly in love with Arjun. Now, Chitra knows that Arjun has a strong vow that he will maintain celibacy. So, he is not ready to love Chitra and fall in love with her. Chitra goes to Madan, the god of love, and she begs, "O God, give me unique beauty so that I may have female charm." She also goes to Basanta. She begs him eternal youth and charm. With the rare beauty and youthful charm, she goes to Arjun. She falls in love with Arjun, but Arjun does not love her. But when Arjun finds that Chitra, who is Chitrangad, is really a beautiful woman, she begins to love her. The god of love and the god of youth bless Chitra that she will have, or she will get love of Arjun for 1 year. But after 1 year, Arjun will give up his love for you. Chitra and Arjun fall in love. Chitra gets pregnated by Arjun with a son. But when Arjun wants to go away from Chitra, Chitra reveals Arjun, "O Arjun, you have pregnated me with her son. Now I am going to become a mother of her son. So how can I go away from you?" Thus, Chitra and Arjun become immortal lovers. They have happiness, love and enjoyment throughout their life. Thus, Chitra is a play that deals with love between Chitra and Arjun. It's a very unique love story. That's all.